Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I'm bringing you an in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This watch has been a game changer for me over the past year, blending style, functionality and cutting-edge tech into one sleek package. Let's dive in what makes this watch a standout choice in the smartwatch market. I decided to purchase this Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 because I wanted a smartwatch that could keep up with my active lifestyle and offer advanced health tracking features. What really drew me in was its bioactive sensor technology and the promise of long battery life. Plus the design looked amazing in photos and I was eager to see if it lived up to the hype. After a year of using this watch, I can say it has far exceeded my expectations. I primarily use it for tracking my workouts, monitoring my health stats and staying connected without constantly reaching for my phone. This used to be super annoying before I got this watch and has definitely made my life easier. Whether I'm hitting the gym, going for a run, or just managing my schedule, the Galaxy Watch 5 is always up to the task. Let's talk features because the Galaxy Watch 5 is packed with them. First off, it's got a revolutionary sensor, combined three health monitoring tools into one device. You've got the optical heart rate for continuous heart monitoring, electrical heart signal for ECG, bioelectrical impedance analysis for body composition metrics. It's like having a health lab on your wrist. And I really like the build of this watch. It's got an aluminium frame. It's not only lightweight, but it's also durable, making it perfect for daily wear and tear. The minimalist design is sleek and fits comfortably whether you're at the office or out for a jog. Alright, let's talk about the battery life. I've noticed it gets up to about 40 hours of battery life on a single charge. The Galaxy Watch 5 keeps you going all day and night. And when you do need a recharge, it's super fast and quick. 30-minute charge gets you through another day. It's got advanced sleep tracking. This feature provides comprehensive insights into your sleep pattern, including REM cycles, deep sleep, and even your snoring habits. It gives personalized tips to help improve your sleep quality as well. And it's also water resistant, so it's rated for 50 meters. It's safe for swimming and showering. You don't need to worry about it getting wet, which adds its versatility. I've showered and swum with this watch on, and it has not once had issues being submerged in water. My experience with this Galaxy Watch 5 has been quite good. Even though I haven't used it for the last year, I've upgraded to the Galaxy 6. It has certainly lived up to my expectations. The health tracking features are incredibly detailed and helpful. Whether I'm monitoring my heart rate during a workout or checking my sleep stats, the data is always spot on. The watch is also great for managing notifications and controlling music on the go, an awesome feature when I'm working out and wanting to change songs quickly. One of my favourite things about this Galaxy Watch is it seamlessly integrates into my daily routine. For fitness, the real-time coaching and automatic workout detections are huge pluses. During meetings or when I'm out and about, the notifications keep me in the loop without being intrusive, and let's not forget about the customizable watch faces. As you can see, I've got a customizable watch face here. I love switching them up to match my outfit or mood on the day. There are hundreds of different customized watch faces out there. So the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is a stellar choice for anyone looking to elevate their smartwatch game. Its robust set of features combined with its sleek design and impressive battery life make it a perfect companion for both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. I highly recommend it if you're in the market for a reliable, versatile and stylish smartwatch.